Hello my fellow crafters, welcome back to Inspiration for Cards. Today I'm going to be making a fun little card. It's a wintry scene. I'm not gonna make it into a Christmas card, I think now, but you never know once inspiration hits. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be playing with some Elizabeth Craft Designs dies, and we're going to do some watercoloring, etc. So let's dive in. Let's make this fun card. What I will do, I will speed the whole process up, so I will not talk you through it. It's quite straightforward, but it's going to be a fun, short and quick video. Okay, here we have it, the finished card for today. I really like this. It's really, how do you call it? Wintry. It's looking cold. I really like it. It's cold but cozy at the same time. Nice combination. So this is just a fun little project in between that I wanted to share with you. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and I will see you for the next one. Thank you. Bye.